Chef Todd here in Boulder Ridge Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a couple of ways to use up some bread from around the house. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make some traditional bread pudding. I've taken some random pieces of bread we've had around, most of it's French bread. But again, you know, around your house, if you have, especially if you've got kids, you know, if there's hot dog buns, hamburger buns, white bread, wheat bread, any kind of bread you want to throw in here, you absolutely could. So we're going to make the custard. Here I have 10 eggs. To that, I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of sugar, a 1.5 tablespoons of cinnamon, and a pinch of ground nutmeg. So we're going to whisk that together. We're going to add 4 cups of milk and 4 cups of heavy cream. This is a point where if you wanted to add, you know, something a little extra like bourbon or something like that, you could. Once that's incorporated, we're going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Once that's all mixed, we're going to go ahead and add it to the bread. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and wrap this up with some plastic wrap. Set it away in the cooler for at least an hour or so to let the bread soak up the custard. And then it'll be ready to go ahead and bake. Okay, our bread has now been soaking in the custard for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. So we're going to be ready to go ahead and bake it. What we're going to do is just take whatever dish you're using, whether it's a Pyrex dish or a pie dish, or in this case, we're going to use kind of a large souffle dish. Go ahead and grease the inside and start spooning your bread in. You can see it's already soaked up. Most of it can just go about 3/4 of the way up whatever container you're using, because it will expand a bit as it cooks. Now we're going to go ahead and bake in a 350-degree oven for around 45 minutes. Okay, so we've taken our bread pudding out, we've let it rest for about 20 minutes or so, and now we're ready to serve. If you have it in a long square Pyrex or something, you can easily cut squares out of it. In this application, you know, we're just going to go ahead and dig out a nice scoop. Go ahead, just put it in the glass here. I'm gonna finish it with a little dollop of whipped cream and a drizzle of caramel sauce.